All right, guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Bighorn. So my little boy here, Jackson's going to be helping me take this thing apart and put together. So we're just chilling in the backyard and we got this package from Bighorn. We're going to unbox it and we're going to cook my boy's favorite thing, a pizza. And we're kind of crunched on time today, so it will be a frozen pizza. But nonetheless, let's see how it does, because this is a typical thing, right? I don't always have time to roll a fresh dough and make a fresh pizza, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you all about it. All right, so now we got this thing apart. Pretty much, it comes very well packaged, to protect it, and this thing's very heavy duty. It's gas powered. It goes up to 1500 degrees. Can you believe that? Yeah. It gets extremely hot, and it has multiple trays, sections. So when you put it together, if you don't want it to sear too high, you can just throw it at the bottom. You can do multiple things at once. And what I like about it is, yeah, it's like a pizza oven as well. I bet this thing would be great for steaks, which it's not in this video, but I have made some steaks on it. And let me tell you, they're great. So here is the knob for the temperature, and it comes with a little igniter, which is awesome. You just put a little battery in there, a little AAA, and that's pretty much all you're going to need to do. Screw it back in and turn your gas on, connect it to propane, and it'll turn right on. And for the pizza, I have it on low because I don't want to burn it. And this is my first time using it, so I put some a little bit of flour on that stone, and I'm just flipping the pizza. And the only thing different that I've been doing that I didn't do in this video is I put the tray a little bit lower on my next pizzas after this, because I learned that it's just too high up for pizza. It cooks a lot better at the bottom. So right here I did actually end up moving it at the bottom since it was just too high. But look, my son didn't complain. This is very crispy, not burnt. Depends who you ask. But it was perfect. So yeah, cut it up, and I underestimated how hot this thing gets. So definitely when you set it to the low setting, work your way up. If you're doing pizza, put it on like the medium rack, because you will burn that pizza quickly. Now mine got charred. I saved it just in time, but look, this thing is awesome. I can just imagine for like searing steaks and other foods, it's gonna be great. But I've been needing a pizza oven, so it's kind of cool. Like, it's like 2-in-1. I can do that. I can just make all kinds of stuff. I just need that quick char. Literally gets up to 1500 degrees. That's crazy. And this thing got hot with the quickness, so you got to be prepared, because this thing will get hot very, very fast. So probably just gonna leave it right there. So yeah, Bighorn, check it out, guys.